Hello everyone, today we will be showing you how you can lay out elements horizontally in the Elementor website builder. To start, go over to the Add Element tab and drag a container into your website's canvas. Then, hover over the container and left-click the icon that appears in the top left corner to open up the container editor. Underneath Items, set the direction to Row Horizontal. Now, we can go back to the Add Element tab and drag more containers into this container to serve as holders for the elements we will be putting in. If you're having trouble dragging multiple containers in, you could also just drag in one container, right-click it, and click Add New Container to add one alongside it. Once you've got your containers set up, you can drag any elements into them such as text, images, and buttons. To further customize the individual containers, you can enter the container editor. From here, you can use the width slider to adjust how wide the container is compared to the rest. You can also head back to the main container's container editor and set it to wrap so that it creates new rows to fit the containers instead of squeezing them together in one row. Finally, to make sure that the layout displays properly on portrait mode screens like tablets, you can switch the preview device and change the direction of the main container to column vertical. Remember to do this for the phone as well since the container settings are device specific. And that is how you can create a responsive horizontal layout in the Elementor website builder. Thanks for watching!